Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Now, this Krishna Sang Prashna, this question and answer about Krishna, if we simply hear, that is recommendation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sthane sthita sutigatang tanuvang manobhi. You remain in your position, but you try to hear about Krishna. That is the recommendation. Simply you come in this temple and try to hear about Krishna. Sthane sthita sutigatang tanuvang. That will purify. Krishna, Kirtan, Krishna's name is so powerful. Simply if you hear Krishna, 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 you become purified. You become purified. Therefore it is said, Variyane sati prasna krituloka hidananipo atmavid sammata. Atmavid. It is not that I am only eulogizing. Atmavid sammata. All great personalities who is self-realized. Atmavid. Atmavid means one who knows Atma. General people, they do not know Atma. But Atmavid means one who knows Atma. Aham Brahmasmi. I am spirit soul, I am not this body. And one who is well acquainted about this Atma Tattva. So unless one becomes aware of this Atma Tattva, whatever he is doing, he is being defeated. They are saying, generally people, they are thinking that I am now constructing this big skyscraper building, I am successful, I have become Rothschild, I have become Ford. That is not Atmavid. Atmavid, because he is materially opulent, that does not mean Atmavid. That's subject matter will be discussed in the next verse. Apasadam atmatattam. One who cannot see is Atma. Griheshu griham. They are compact in this materialistic way of life. Griheshu griham. Their condition is very... Actually, this is the position of the whole world. They are not Atmavid. They do not inquire. Atmatattam. Therefore, they are less intelligent. In the airport, I say that our propaganda is to make people more intelligent. They might not have taken it very nicely. They thought that this poor Swami has come to make us intelligent. But actually, that is the fact. That is the fact. This is not intelligence. That bodily concept of life, I spoil my whole life for bodily comforts, and then after giving up this body I become a cat and dog. Then what is that intelligence? Is that very good intelligence? Actually it has happened. I do not wish to discuss how our Godbrother Siddhar Maharaj, he was speaking from a paper that one of our great politicians in India, he has now become a dog in Sweden. It is published. There were inquiries about some prominent man in India, and he has answered, and one of the answers is, such and such politician is now one of the two dogs of a gentleman in Sweden. You see? So, this time, in this life I may become very big man, big politician, big diplomat, big businessman. But next life, after your death, it is your greatness of this material will not help you. That will depend on your work. And nature will offer you a certain type of body you'll have to accept. Of course, you'll forget. That is the concession given by nature, just like we do not remember what we had been in our past life. If I remember that suppose I was a king in my past life, now I have become a dog, then how much suffering it will be. Therefore, by nature's law, one forgets. And death means this forgetfulness. Death means this forgetfulness. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,